Everyone wants the best thing. When it comes to mutual fund investment, the investors also want the best mutual fund scheme to invest. But unfortunately, the best mutual fund differ from person to person. Also, just because it is the best, that doesn't mean it is the right investment plan for you. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. In this video, we are going to see how to choose the best mutual fund for the investment. How to choose the best mutual fund, or what is the best mutual fund for the investment? This is the first question comes to your mind when you're thinking about mutual fund investment. Everyone loves new clothes, right? So, for example, let's say you are going to a boutique shop. There you are seeing a very beautiful dress. By seeing this dress, what do you think? You will think, oh my god, see this dress, it is very gorgeous, right? Unfortunately, later only you realize either this dress is too small or too big for you. If you try to wear this dress, you will not feel very comfortable in it.
The same applies to your mutual fund investment. Here, compare the dress size with the risk level of the best mutual fund investment. You know, it is the best mutual fund for the investment, but you cannot sure about its risk level. And without knowing the risk level, you cannot say whether it is the best option for your investment portfolio. So, it is not advisable to choose the best mutual fund without knowing its risk level or without knowing whether it is suitable for your investment portfolio or not.
The scheme may be a best option in the industry, but it may be not suitable for your investment portfolio. In order to find the best, nowadays investors are having a misconception of following the market trend. But unfortunately, it is not the right option because stock market is volatile every day. Also, if you decided to churn your investment based on market trend, then you may have to change your investment schemes once in every 10 days. Here, you may ask, if it is a not right way, then how to choose the right investment plan for you? It is very simple. First, list down your investment objectives. Then, know your risk level. Now, based on these details, choose an investment plan that's suitable for your investment portfolio. If you think you need more help, then you can hire a financial planner for you to choose the right investment plan for a better result. I hope this video can help you to choose the right path. Along with this video, if you think you need more help, then you can use our free 30-minute complimentary financial plan consultation. We have shared a link in the description. You can click the link and fill the form to fix your appointment with our financial planner. If you like this video, then click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.